Everybody, welcome to the video surprise of today. Today's video surprise on the Gorilla Grip Anti-Fatigue Comfort Mat. Before you get started, please hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and really push that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, let's start out with a few key features. It helps reduce pain, stress, and fatigue on feet and joints. Durable backing helps improve tracking. Low profile velvet edge contours to floor. Easy to clean and vacuum and wipe clean. So that's the main key features. Of course, they talk about a little bit of the thickness is 3/4. So you can see that over there. Extra soft, super cushion. So I'm going to show you. If you just put your finger on it, you can see that the pressure indents in, gives in. But if you just put your hand on it, even when you push on it, it doesn't. So you got to put quite a bit of pressure. And to my opinion, okay, the one of the pros I like about it is just the white pressure. Okay, it's not something too soft. It's not like those exercise mats and stuff like that, right? And a little bit marketing there is lifetime warranty. I don't know how the warranty works, but it's 70 by 24 inches for this particular one. There's different sizes. I post a link in the description if you're interested. And there's like the edges are velvet, contour. This is the opposite side. So the opposite side is some kind of foam. I'm not sure that would last that long with the foam, but I'm not going to get this wet. If you use it for the kitchen, for example, it might be something you have to consider. So I'm just using it for my stand-up desk in my office, and it works great. I mean, I've been standing on it since yesterday, and I've been using it. It's very comfortable. It's great on my back and joints, and you notice the difference than standing on say an exercise mat or something like that. Even the cushiony ones, right? So the opposite side, and also the price is a little bit expensive for these kind of products. My item came as a complete strip, so it's a big package because I have a big one, right? So mostly they spend a lot of the money on the shipping, I guess, with this product as well too, because of the size. I think it will last quite a while. It doesn't look like it's made of super cheap material. Then again, it's gonna be used in my standing desk, and I'm not gonna get it wet. So you have to push on it with a lot of pressure, or if you stand on it, and even when you stand on it, notice even once it gives, you let go of your hand or something, it doesn't deform. So it doesn't have like a memory foam feel that it comes back up. So instantly it bounces back up. So it's not a delayed response. So this one I have in particular, I have it in my office, which is one in my bedroom basically. So you can see the size is pretty long for me because I have a standing table, and I like to stand on the standing table if I were to do some work in my office or what have you, right? But you also could use it for the kitchen, which is another great use for it, like the model over here has. And you may not need something so big, right? So from the past reviews, I've seen that a lot of the people usually only buy the smaller one, and it's great for the kitchen as well. So keep that in mind. I have a bigger one because I use it for my office and move between two different computers as well. So what I think about this, I would definitely buy it again, and this one's a keeper, and it's definitely I'm recommending this product. It looks really good and feels really good as well too. So I think mine will last quite a bit, and I'm not gonna spill liquid or anything on it, but you actually could clean it as well too. So if you get something dirty or you did spill something on top of it, it's not end of the world. You just clean it. So it's a great product, and I highly suggest you check it out if you're interested in looking for a standing mat or anti-fatigue mat. This is the one to look at. Hope this video helps you out and gives you an idea about this product. Really appreciate a thumbs up. If you have something to share to help others, please post it in the comments as well too. And I see you next time. Bye.